Hey everyone, and welcome back. I'm so excited for today's deep dive because we're focusing on a creature that is, well, how do I put it, incredibly resilient.
Resilient and captivating, wouldn't you say?
Absolutely. We're talking about the Iberian Ibex.
Ah, a fantastic choice.
Now, we're not just going to cover the basics, like where they live and what they eat.
Right.
We're going to delve deeper into their remarkable adaptations
Yeah.
and uncover a truly inspiring conservation success story. By the end of this, you'll be filled with hope, I guarantee it.
I have no doubt. The Iberian Ibex is a testament to nature's power to bounce back, but also to our own ability to right some wrongs.
Absolutely. It's a powerful reminder of how intertwined our fates are with the natural world. But for those who might be tuning in for the first time, or maybe just need a refresher, let's set the scene, shall we?
Let's.
Imagine you're trekking through the Pyrenees, those rugged mountains that sprawl across Spain and Portugal.
Stunning landscape.
And suddenly, you come face to face with this creature with horns so massive you could barely get your arms around them.
I can picture it now.
And they're not just thick, they curve upwards, kind of like scimitars.
Oh, absolutely. Those iconic horns.
We're talking horns that can reach over 75 centimeters long. It's a sight to behold.
It really is. And what's fascinating is those horns aren't just for show. Each one tells a story. Like trees, they have these growth rings that actually reveal the ibex's age. But as you mentioned, those horns are massive, and you might think, wouldn't that make it hard to move around, especially in those mountains?
It's true. I was just thinking, wouldn't they get snagged on everything?
Well, they certainly can be cumbersome at times. But the Iberian Ibex, over generations, has become incredibly agile.
So they've adapted to their environment.
Exactly. They can navigate steep cliffs, rocky slopes, terrain that would make most of us, well, quite nervous.
I bet. It's amazing how evolution works.
It is. Those ibex with traits like stronger legs, better balance, they were more likely to survive, right? And pass on those traits.
Survival of the fittest.
Precisely. Now, another amazing adaptation is their coat. Did you know it changes color with the seasons?
I did read something about that.
It's true. In summer, it's a light brown, helps reflect that Iberian sun.
Smart.
But then come winter, they grow a thicker, darker coat for warmth.
It's like they have a built-in wardrobe change. Now, what about their diet? What are they eating up there in those rocky heights?
Well, they're herbivores, so lots of plants. But you wouldn't believe how tough their menu is.
Oh.
Grasses, leaves, shrubs, even tree bark. They can handle it.
Wow, that's rough. How do they manage to digest all that?
They have a specialized digestive system, multi-chambered stomach, like cows.
Ah, so that helps them break down those tough fibers.
Exactly. And this dietary preference isn't just about survival. It plays a role in the ecosystem, too.
I'm intrigued. Tell me more.
Their grazing habits help control vegetation growth, prevents any one plant species from taking over.
So they help maintain biodiversity.
Precisely. More plant diversity means more diversity in other animals, too. A ripple effect.
Fascinating. They're like tiny ecosystem engineers. Okay, I have to ask about their social lives. Do they hang out in groups or?
Well, it depends. Females and their young, they live in herds.
Makes sense. Safety in numbers.
Led by a dominant female, no less. But the males, they're more solitary.
Loners, huh?
Except, of course, during mating season. That's when things get a little, well, let's just say competitive.
Ah, that's when those massive horns come into play.
You got it. Mating season is a spectacle. Clashes, displays of strength, all to win a mate.
It's like a real-life nature documentary. But let's shift gears for a moment to a more serious topic. The Iberian Ibex has faced some significant threats in the past, right?
Sadly, yes. Overhunting, habitat loss, and disease almost pushed them to the brink. Some subspecies, like the Portuguese ibex, the Pyrenean ibex, weren't so lucky.
Extinction is a harsh reality. It's a reminder of the impact we have.
Absolutely. But, and this is important, there's a silver lining to this story.
Oh, good. I was hoping you'd say that.
Thanks to conservation efforts, things are looking up. Hunting restrictions, habitat restoration, even disease management programs.
So humans stepped in to help.
We did. And the Iberian Ibex has made a remarkable comeback.
That's incredible news. What can we learn from this success story?
Well, it shows that early intervention is key, and a multifaceted approach.
Meaning?
Protecting habitat, managing hunting sustainably, controlling disease, all of it matters.
It sounds like a team effort.
It is. Scientists, conservationists, local communities, policymakers, everyone working together.
A reminder that we can make a difference when we work together.
Exactly. And it begs the question, what other species can we save? What can we learn from the Iberian Ibex to protect others?
It's a powerful question, and a hopeful one. The Iberian Ibex's story reminds us that even in the face of adversity, there's always a chance for a brighter future. Keep learning, keep exploring, and keep advocating for the incredible diversity of life on our planet. Thanks for tuning in.
Until next time.